Today we will be talking about cold fronts.
When air remains stagnant over an area for a while, it takes on the temperature and the moisture characteristics of that area. Therefore, air which remains over a cold area becomes cold and dry, and air that remains over a warm area becomes warm and moist. As time passes by, air moves from one area to another. When two air masses with different characteristics and temperature meet, they don't mix very well, and the boundary between both air masses is known as a front. Two different types of fronts are warm fronts and cold fronts. We are dealing with cold fronts, which is when cold air moves into a region of warm air.
First, you can see the cold front line is sloped downwards, and also you have cumulonimbus clouds, pretty large, tall clouds forming here. And the distance across the bottom flowing from west to east is only 500 kilometers. Now, that's not to be a specific number every time, but it's just going to be used for comparison later.
Cold fronts are formed when a mass of cold air from the North American continent moves into the Caribbean and interacts with the warm air of the Caribbean. As the cold air from the North American region enters the Caribbean, it meets the warm air and it pushes the warm air upward, causing that air to cool, condense, form clouds, and cause torrential rainfall. In places where cold fronts arrive, the temperature also declines. So you have a decrease in temperature, but an increase in rainfall and strong winds.